For more information, please refer to your owner's manual. This dishwasher is specifically designed to be used with rinse aid for improved drying performance and controlling buildup of hard water deposits to help optimize your drying and wash performance. Rinse aid will need to be added to your dishwasher every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Be sure to always place pre-measured detergents in the main compartment and close the lid. Use of a dishwasher cleaning product such as Affresh dishwasher cleaner can help to remove the residue. Monthly use of Affresh dishwasher cleaner is recommended to help maintain the dishwasher.